Hi everyone, we are going to discuss the answers of the assignment questions of the chapter Uncle Podger Hangs a Picture. So the first question is, oh you, leave that to me, don't you? Any of you, worry yourself about that. I'll do all that. Who is the speaker and whom is he speaking to? So the answer is, the speaker is Uncle Podger. He is speaking to Aunt Podger, Aunt Maria. अब इसमें हमने क्या याद रखना है? That Uncle Podger, U and P should be capital, Aunt Podger, A and P should be capital. Aunt Maria, Maria में M should be capital. Then B part is, what does he mean by saying leave that to me? He means that he himself will hang the picture on the wall, or you can say he means to leave the task of hanging the picture on him. So we have to keep in mind that when the question is in present tense, so you have to answer in present tense only. Was the job really so easy? The answer is, the job was easy, but Uncle Podger made it complicated and involved the whole family in the job. Then next lines are the lines which are given, extract from the lesson. It is given is, oh you women, you make such a fuss over everything. Uncle Podger would reply, picking himself up, why, I like doing a little job of this sort. Now who was making a fuss? So the answer is that according to Uncle Podger, Aunt Maria or Aunt Podger was making a fuss. Now why is Uncle Podger referring, देखो यहाँ पे question should be what? The question should be, what is Uncle Podger referring to as a little job and why? This should be the question, proper question. So the answer will be that Uncle Podger is referring to the job of hanging the picture on the wall as a little job because according to him, it was an easy task. Then do you think he had done a good job? So the part C is, no, I don't think that he had done a good job because number one, he had created a lot of confusion and chaos by involving everyone in the family in doing the job. Number two, also the picture which he hung, या आप लिख सकते हो, picture which he finally hung on the wall was crooked and insecure. Next question is, was it really a little job for the family? So the answer is no, it was not a little job for the family as the entire family was involved in the job and had to run errands for him. Run errands मतलब कि एक बंदे के order follow करना या एक बंदे के कहने पे इधर उधर कुछ ना कुछ लाने के लिए भागना. Then next question is, here the question number 1, starting from here. How did Uncle Podger assign himself for the job of hanging the picture? The answer is, when Uncle Podger asked what was to be done with the picture lying in the dining room, when Aunt Podger asked what was to be done with the picture lying in the dining room, Uncle Podger said that he would himself hang it. That is how he assigned himself for the job of hanging the picture. Now this portion is completely from the question. Next question is, how would Uncle Podger react when he lost the mark he had made for the nail? Answer, when Uncle Podger lost the mark that he had made for the nail, he asked everyone to relocate the mark on the wall and also called them fools. Next, how did everyone feel at the end of the day? The answer is, at the end of the day, everyone was very tired, exhausted and wretched. Next question is, Uncle Podger was a very forgetful man. Comment. So here, Uncle Podger was a very forgetful man. When he hurt his thumb with a hammer, he made everyone look for his handkerchief, which he had kept in the pocket of the coat on which he himself was sitting. Number 2, when he sent the girl to buy the nails, he forgot to mention the size of the nails to be bought. Now the last question is, give the character sketch of Uncle Podger. So here are the few points. You can learn any of these which you find easy. Now the character sketch of Uncle Podger. Uncle Podger is a main or pivotal character of the story. Uncle Podger hangs a picture. So he is a funny or a comic character who creates comedy in the story with his little acts where he suffers. Number 2, he is a forgetful man as he forgets to tell the size of the nail, his handkerchief, his hammer, the mark on the wall and his coat. तो ये सारी चीजें वो भूल गया था. Number 3, he is a troublesome character as he creates confusion and chaos for everyone in the family. Number 4, he is abusive as he rebukes का मतलब scolds. So you can use scolds here also, as he scolds all the family members when he forgets the handkerchief, hammer and the mark on the wall. Number 5, he blames others for his own fault. So that's all about the assignment.